The Getchell area and the cul-de-sac that we're in.
What's the name of the neighborhood, Alyssa?
Copper Creek.
Copper Creek. Nice spot here at the end of the cul-de-sac, right?
Yeah.
Slap a fresh paint job on this house, it'll look pretty nice. Okay, follow you.
Walk in the front door. Sitting room.
This will be the sitting room
/ dining room.
in that half, and then this half will be a dining area with a dining table right there. Okay.
Here's the living room. And the kitchen.
And there's Gordy, our realtor.
Hey.
So a nice open great room here. Real hardwood floors.
Couple fridge.
Okay.
Pantry.
It's a big one. Okay.
Microwave, stove, sink, dishwasher.
Okay.
And then over here, bathroom, garage, and laundry room. Laundry room here.
I hope people don't get dizzy when they watch this. Big laundry room, you can put all kinds of stuff in here.
And then garage here.
Mostly finished. That it for the first floor?
Yeah.
Coat closet on the first floor, we forgot.
Okay, second floor. Closet here.
Nice linen closet. A little bit of a foyer up here.
Okay, so the first room to the right. Kind of the bedroom kind of thing.
Yep. Good sized bedroom. Kind of bigger than a normal bedroom, but not the master.
Next room on the right is the master.
double doors.
Master bath.
There's the praying room, otherwise known as the toilet.
Behind you, that
Stand up shower. Double sinks. And bathtub. Window. Walk-in closet. Very spacious. Okay.
Okay, on the other side.
What? Oh, never mind.
First bedroom here. Pretty basic.
Basic bedroom. It's in good shape and
Good
just needs
closet.
paint like the rest of the house. Yep.
And the second one's pretty much the same.
Well, this would be the fourth one. Fourth bedroom.
Oh yeah.
And these two bedrooms here overlook the street outside. Okay.
And last room in the house is the bathroom up here.
Pretty standard bathroom with your tub. Tub shower combo. You know, basic but clean and linoleum floors, but they're in excellent shape.
I don't really mind them.
Yeah. Okay,
That's it?
that's it.
Yep.
Say bye.
Bye. Backyard.
Gotta put a fence up out here, some kind of privacy screen of trees or something. Nice little storm pond in the back. Okay, now that's it.
Yes.